Okay, look at that, yummy, yummy. Guys, let's make a quick dinner. Yes, yeah, my steak is not ready though. Let's add a little bit of time while I warm up my bread. Yeah, I have my burger bread here. I'm using brown bread. So for our sauce, I'll be using ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm just going to mix that together. Oh, you want tomatoes?
Yes. Attends, mais puis mommy to do
I put one tomatoes down. Put the tomatoes.
I put one or two.
One. No, one is enough. One is enough. So guys, I'm done making the kids' own. This is my own. So let me add some salad. All the remaining salad and the tomatoes. My steak. I don't have cheese for hamburger anymore. This one is for croque monsieur, but I'm going to manage it. Okay, look at that, yummy, yummy.